This is the final video to fix the missing grid and Venetian Blinds effects in Premiere Pro 2026. Are you struggling because these classic tools suddenly vanish from your effects panel after the latest update? This problem happens because the software developers moved older tools into a hidden category to make room for new features. Most other tutorials on social media make this fix sound way too complicated or take forever to explain the simple steps. Here at Rexish, we make things easy for you today. I have 4 proven methods to restore these obsolete effects, and I guarantee that at least one of these tricks will work for your project, even if your software feels completely broken right now. You should pause this video right now to try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of the instructions so you do not miss a single detail. I will not waste your time with long stories, because these 4 solutions get the job done fast. Please follow the methods and the steps exactly as they appear on the screen right now to get your favorite effects back into your timeline.